Yes, sir.
And then 6 mu b. X is 10.1 b. Okay, we did these. Now we have to do cost rule. Any confusion in these questions?
No, sir.
So as we already discussed in sine rule, that is the work in pairs. This is a, b, c, small b, small c, and this is a over sine a, b over sine b, c over sine c. Similarly, this will again work in pairs. A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. And in cost rule, if we are working with angle A, basically three sides and one angle will be involved. So A square is equals to the remaining two, B square plus C square, same 2 minus 2BC cos of this side, cos of A. So if we are working with side B, the remaining two, A square plus C square minus 2AC cos of B. Try it and dictate me the third one. C square is equals to
A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C.
cos C, correct. So, for example, we are given with this. Let's say this is 11, this is 13, and in angle between them is given, and this is the unknown side. So, we know that our pair is complete, our set is complete, and we do have other two sides. But we cannot use sine rule here because we don't have one complete set of A over sine A. If I have this side, this angle is unknown. If I have this side, this angle is unknown. So here we are bound to use cos rule. So x square is equals to remaining two sides, 11 square plus 13 square minus 2, same two sides, 11 into 13 into cos of whatever is opposite to x, that is 17 in this case. Sometimes more angles would be given just to confuse. So you just have to follow the pairing stuff. And it is given in degrees, calculated in degree mode. 11 square plus 13 square minus 2 into 11 into 13 into cos of 70, and this is giving me 192.18. Square root of answer is 13.86. I'm writing 13.9. Let's say this was centimeters. So this is how we will apply cost rule. And then some prefer for the angle written in this order, some would prefer making the angle the subject of the formula. So if we just look at the first one, I'm trying to make cos A and then A the subject. A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of A. So first of all, I'm taking these two sides on other side. Minus B square minus C square is equals to minus 2BC cos of A. Now I'm dividing this negative sign on the other side. So that would become B square plus C square minus A square, and then dividing with the side 2BC, and then we are left with cos A on the other side. So the order stays same, and ultimately A is equals to cos inverse of whatever we'll be having in this fraction. So let's try a few examples. Two sides are given, angle in between them is given, opposite side is missing. So similarly, starting with the side and the pair, this is b square is equals to remaining two sides, 5 square plus 8 square minus 2 same two sides into 5 into 8 into cos of 112. So all we have to do is punch in calculator and take the square root of it. I am looking at example 2, which says the triangle whose sides are 6, 5, and 7, and it says find the size of angle C. So if we are talking about angle C, let me label them A, B, C. Size of angle C. So basically, with a little practice, you'll be able to memorize the formula. So if I'm just looking at C, this is my complete pair. So cos of C is equals to remaining two, 6 square plus 5 square minus 7 square divided by 2 into 6 into 5, and cos C is equals to, I'm using calculator, 6 square plus 5 square minus 7 square over 2 into 6 into 5, and I'm getting a fraction 1 by 5. Ultimately, C is equals to cos inverse 1 by 5. And it ends at 78.5 degrees to 1 decimal place. Okay. 10.1a. The side is missing. And number 1, try this. Question 1. If you wish to see the formula, this is right here. You can discuss if you face any problem. Did
Yes.
you-
So it's 6.244.
Correct. 6.244. So
Yes.
for now, we just stay till 1 decimal place 6.2. Aris, we are doing cost rule today. Can you hear me, Aris?
So thank you, they don't call. I said they don't call. No, I don't.
Okay. That is quickly just stating the formulas, and then we'll do it slowly during practice. Cost rule A, B, C, small b, small c, just like we did in sine rule in pairings. So when we're working on this pair, this is one side, another side, another side. So a square equals b square plus c square minus 2, same 2, b, c, cos of a. Similarly, if we are working on side b, other two, a square plus c square minus 2, a, c, cos of the same angle. We started with side b, so pair is with angle b. And c square is equals to a square plus b square remaining minus 2 into b into a into cos of, we started with side c, so cos of c. And similarly, when we are working for angle, we can make angle the subject of formula, and it would look like, where did it go? It would look like this. We just made it subject, and then we can do cos inverse of the fraction. Let's try some more questions. Question number 2, Ali just did the first one. Number 2 shows A, B, C, 7 is given, 8 is given, 47 is given, and we have to find this missing side. So missing side, let me just call that B. So the remaining sides are, this is B squared is equals to 7 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 7 into 8 into cos of angle involved is 47. So B is equals to square root 7 square plus 8 square minus 2 into 7 into 8 into cos of 47. Now I'm punching this in calculator. And I'm getting 6.05. None of the sides were given, so just for practice, this is the side. Is any confusion in understanding the formula?
No, sir.
Let's try question 3. Try and dictate me the values. I have this as C, A, and B. 8 is given, 5 is given, unknown side, and angle is 42.4 degrees. So let the unknown side be C square. Try and dictate. What should I
So
write next?
you take a square, which is 8 square,
8 square,
and 5 square
5 square,
minus
minus
2 times 8 times 5
And
cos
cos 42.
42.4.
42.4. Just quickly do with me. So if there is any typing error, we would get it. Cos of 42.4. I'm getting 5.47.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more for side and then we'll move on to angle. Let's try this fourth one. 5, 8, unknown, and the angle is 100. Quickly try that.
Sir, what? Well,
Ali, I missed it. What did you say?
nothing, sir. So do we have to put like any A, B, C over?
No
Like,
issues. Just try that. We're just through practice. Still doing it?
Sir, I'm not.
See
yes,
if
sir,
you're
one second.
working for missing side. If you would notice, everything is same as the previous question.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's
Just
same. So we need to. Yes, sir.
So 10.14.
correct. Very good. Missing side is 10.14.
My calculator was stuck. Around.
Ali, are we getting same answer?
Yes, sir, 10.14.
10.14. Now let's see. Okay, now this is just a different writing style in question number 6. I'll just draw it. You need to comprehend the wordings. In triangle ABC, I've just drawn it. Maybe it would be obtuse. So just for information, ABC, where AB is 4 centimeters, AC is 7 centimeters, and angle A is 57 degrees. Find BC. So BC is equals to, I'm just saving time and writing it directly. 4 square plus 7 square minus 2 into 4 into 7 into cos of 57. So square root 4 square plus 7 square minus 2 into 4 into 7 into cos of 57. And I'm getting 5.87 centimeters. 5.87 centimeters. Okay. So we have questions from 10 where the angle is missing. Question number 10. Now that would depend on your practice if you're comfortable writing it in straight line or making the angle subject of the formula. This is A, B, C, 4, 7, 9, and the missing angle is at B. So if you are working for cos B, it is other 2 squared minus B side over 2 into other 2. And then B is equals to cos inverse of, and let me check what do we get, is 7 square plus 9 square minus 4 square over 2 into 7 into 9 is 19 by 21. and cos inverse is 25.2 degrees. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Try question number 11. A, B, C, 6, 5, 7. Angle C. Let me know when you're done.
Eighty-one point eight.
44.42.
All three of us are getting different answers.
So I got
Getting
44.42.
78.46. Ali, you are getting 44.42.
0.42.
I'm getting 81.
And you're getting 81. Okay. Now let's just
Point.
see where we did different. That was cos C. So other two sides squared, 5 square plus 6 square
Yes,
minus 7
sir.
square. What
Over two
other two sides?
multiply 7.
Into 5 into 6.
Oh, right. I did 7. My bad.
Oh, I did 2, 6, and 7.
This is
Because,
cos C is equals to 1 by 5. Haris,
Yes, I
where
got
did
it.
you get wrong?
Got it.
sir, I did if we use the equation 5 squared is equal to 6 squared plus 7 squared
Okay,
minus 2
let's do it that way.
times
This was this was 5, 6, and 7. Let me just copy that here. 5, 6, and
is
7, and is
5.
10. Now, if you're using this, because this is the pair, so side needs to be here and angle would be at the opposite end.
Oh,
Okay,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that's 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 5 into 6, one way. And then you
Yes,
could definitely simplify. That's 49, and 25 plus 36 is 61 minus 2
yes,
into
sir.
5 into 6. And the major mistake which many students would make is they would forget that this is actually multiplied with cos. So 49 minus 61 is equals to negative 60 cos of the angle. 49 minus 61
Yes,
is negative 12, negative 60 cos of this, and again 12 by 60 is 1 by 5.
yes, sir. Yes, I get it.
Cos inverse of 1 by 5, and that's 78.5 degrees. Okay, try number 13. I'm waiting for the first digit.
Getting 11.95. 11
Okay, I'm getting different answer,
oh,
and I've just not written my first digit.
So 1 second. Sir, it's 24.19.
24.
Yes, sir, 24.
Aris, this was cos of angle is equal to, this is the pair. So other two sides first, 9.6 square plus 9.6 square minus 4 square divided by 2 into other two sides, 9.6, 9.6. And then at the end we would take cos inverse.
yes, sir. I didn't put square in the floor.
Now I'm not moving it to next exercise. Try number 12 and try to get it correct
Okay.
in one go. Is it readable?
Yes, sir.
Missing digit.
Yes, 1 second.
Sir, 114.97.
Very good. 114.97 degrees.
Yes, sir, 114.93.
Similarly, just a different writing style. We would draw the triangle for our convenience. And
Yes.
even if you have a good practice, no need to draw. I would just suggest go for drawing and sketching. That avoids careless mistakes. Okay. So now we are using sine and cos and bearing. We've done bearing already. The ship sails from a port P for distance of 7 kilometers on a bearing of 306. On from port P, it is 306 definitely. That's more than 270. So 1, 2, 3, 270 more than 270 at bearing of 306. When you just subtract 360 and 306, you know that you are left with 54 degrees. And then a further 11 kilometer on a bearing of, first it was 7 kilometers, then at a bearing of 70. When you reach there at a bearing of 70, 11 kilometers, that too done. Calculate the direct distance from P to X. So this is the data. Using the same data, where is this 54 coming from? These two are parallel, north, north, and that's alternate. So 54, 54. Now we do have 54 already. This is 54. This is 70. We already had that. 180 minus both of these, we are getting 56. So enough of the data and all the data is written. Now we need to calculate the direct distance from P2x. So I know this side, I know this side, I know the angle. I can just apply cos rule. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hmm. Now we have two angles on one side. Let's just try this 10.3b. Question 1. And this is a very good suggestion. Always draw large so when you write angles, the lines and angles don't mix up. In triangle PQR, one is 32, other is 72. Diagram not drawn to scale. This is PQR, x is 10.3b. And it says Q is 72, R is 32, and PR is 12 centimeters. And we have to find PQ. This is the unknown side. So if I just look at this, we can subtract 180 minus 72 minus 32, and I'm getting 76. So I do have all these angles. This is 76. Now, if you would see, we have this complete pair, and just realize 76 was not required. And this is an incomplete pair. We can use these. PQ over sine 32 is equals to 12 over sine 12. So PQ is equals to 12 by sine 12 times sine 32. 12 divided by sine 12, that is 12 over sine 72. 72 times sine 32. And it comes out to be 6.686, approximately equal to 6.7 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Try question number 2. I'm waiting for your answers.
Sir, it's 10.81.
I didn't solve it, waiting for Haris.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
If you'll get different answers, then we'll solve together.
I'm getting 10.8 meters.
Same answer.
Yes, I got the same 10.81.
Okay, very good. Three, bearing. Let's do this together. A fishing boat F and a cargo ship C. Fishing boat F and cargo ship C leaves the port P at the same time. P at the same time. The fishing boat sails 25 kilometers on a bearing of 40. So here we go. Question 3. Let's say this is our compass and fishing boat sails 25 kilometers at bearing of 40. So just an estimated, I'm keeping that angle 40 degrees and it travels 25 kilometers. And then the cargo ship sails 30 kilometers on a bearing of 320. 320 would take it on the other side. I need some space on left hand side. I'm bringing that down. 40 bearing and 25 kilometers. Now that's 320. We know that this is 90, then 180, then 270, and then more than that is 320. And the difference between 360 and 320 is 40. So these both angles are 40 40, but this time the distance is 30 kilometers. The previous distance was 25. That's a little more than that, 30 kilometers. We don't need this extra line. Cargo ship is 30 kilometers on a bearing of 320. How far apart are these ships? So this is the distance we need to find. That was fishing boat. This is cargo. Distances are known. Angle between them is known. So CF is equals to CF squared is equal to other two sides squared, 30 square plus 25 square minus 2 into 30 into 25 into cos of 80. So CF is equals to punching at 30 square plus 25 square minus 2 into 30 into 25 into cos of 80. I'm getting 1264, 1264.52, and square root of answer CF is equals to 35.56 kilometers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number two is bearing 4. Try question number 4. Need any help?
Sir, I'm doing.
No, sir.
It is so confusing.
Hmm. Answer yet?
Uh, I got uh, wait, um, uh, 35.
70 what?
I got
35.
35.41.
Aris, what are you getting?
Sir, I'm getting nothing, but
Sorry?
I'm doing.
Okay, waiting.
Sir, I'm getting 25.2 meters. So
I am
20,
also getting 25.2.
yeah.
Ali, see this. A and
Yes,
B
sir.
25H at time B flies 27-meter due north. So one thing is confirmed. This is due south. This is 27. Then B flies 9 meter on bearing of triple one. If that's triple one, the remaining angle is 69 degrees and this length is 9 meter. So basically 9 meter, 27 meter, and angle between them is 69, and we need to find this side. So to find this side, let me just name it x. That's x square is equals to remaining 2 squared minus 2 into 9 into 27 into cos of 69. Where did you get a different number? Like, why are you getting different answer? Are your numbers and order same with the signs positive and negative?
Uh, I think I used the wrong value.
For the angle or anything else?
Yes, I understand. I used the wrong value of the length by mistake.
Okay, okay. So that's 25.2 meters. Okay. So this is exercise 10.3. Solve maximum questions so you get a good grip of bearing, cost rule, and sine rule. Okay. 10.3, page number is, where's the page?